Welcome friends, myself Professor Shantaya Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Muddebihar, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we discuss about classification of bryophytes in part 2. The roughly 18,000 species of bryophytes are classified into three classes. The first class is Hepaticopsida or Hepaticae. They are commonly known as liverworts. Second class Entoceratopsida or Entoceratae. They are known as hornworts. The third class is Musae, or they are commonly known as mosses. Class 1 Hepaticopsida or liverworts. The name liverwort arose because the lobes of the thallus resemble the lobes of the liver. Many have flattened body called thallus, but some have a leafy appearance. Hepaticopsida is further divided into four orders. Number 1, Markensiales. The classical examples are Riccia and Markensia. Second one is Spirocarpellus. Example, Spirocarpus. Third one is Calobriales. The best example is Calobrium. Last class is Jungermannials. Example is Pilia. The few characteristic features of class Hepaticopsida. Gametophyte plant is either thalloid or foliose. The thalloid is dorsiventrally differentiated, lobed and dichotomously branched. Each cell of the thallus contains many chloroplasts without paranoids. Rhizoids are unicellular and there are two kinds. One is smooth-walled rhizoid and tuberculated rhizoid, and they are branched and aseptate. Sex organs are two kinds. The male sex organ is Entheridia and female sex organ is Archegonia. Both are born on dorsal side. The sporophyte is made up of only capsule in Riccia, food seta and capsule in Markensia. The second class Entoceratopsida or hornworts. There are around 300 species present in this class. They are commonly known as hornworts. It has only one order, Enthoceratales. The classical examples are Enthoceros and Notothallus. The few characteristic features of Entoceratopsida. The gametophytic body is dorsiventrally, simple thalloid without internal differentiation. Rhizoids are simple, unicellular and smooth-walled. Each cell has one chloroplast with a paranoid. Sex organs are two kinds, the male and female sex organs, Entheridia and Archegonia. Both are born on dorsally. Columella is present in capsule. The last class is Bryopsida. It is the largest class of Bryophyta with around 1400 species. They are commonly called mosses. The examples are Funaria, Polytrichum and Sphagnum. The Bryopsida is further divided into five orders: Bryales, Endales, Sphagnales, Polytrichum, Buxbianales. The gametophyte is differentiated into Protonema and foliose gametophyte. Rhizoids are multicellular with oblique septa. Sex organs are born apically on stem. Sporophyte is differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. Friends, we see the schematic representation of classification of Bryophyta. The Bryophyta is divided into three classes: Hepaticopsida, Entoceratopsida and Bryopsida. Class Hepaticopsida is divided into four orders: Calobriales, Jungermannials, Markensiales and Spirocarpellus. Second class is Entoceratopsida. It has only one order, Enthoceratales. And last class Bryopsida is further divided into five orders: Sphagnales, Endales, Bryales, Polytrichales, Buxbianales. Okay. Thank you friends. We meet in the next video. Okay, thank you.